That song you swear you discovered? The feed showed it again, beside a jacket, a creator, even a new way of talking. Did the algorithm learn your taste? Or is it rewriting your personality? Pick one recent preference. Keep it in mind. We will put the feed on. Trial as mirror, amplifier and author. Then trace what touched your choice. First, the mirror. Every pause, replay, search, and skip leaves clues. Platforms use to rank what appears next. Researchers have used Facebook likes to predict attributes. Computer judgment sometimes compared well with human acquaintances. Behaviour reveals a pattern. It does not prove who installed it. A prediction is not creation. A weather app can predict rain. It did not create the cloud, but a feed does more. Here is direct evidence. In 3 controlled experiments, people saw a recommender's prediction before rating television programs. The displayed score anchored their later reported preferences. That is not a rewritten personality. Personality is doing too much work. Liking a program is a preference. Extraversion is a more stable trait, related but not the same. Still, the prediction did not merely describe the experience, it became part of it. Now the mirror moves. Imagine a shop with 10,000 jackets, but the same 5 are always beside the door. You still choose, just not from all 10,000. That is the amplifier. Repetition gives some possibilities more chances to enter your attention, while others stay practically invisible. Under some conditions, psychologists find that repeated exposure can make something feel more familiar and more positively evaluated. Now watch what happens next. You choose. The system records it. Your next feed changes. You choose from that new feed, and the choice returns as evidence of what you supposedly wanted all along. That is a feedback loop. In a pre-registered movie lens field experiment, recommendations changed, which movies people consumed, and what they believed would fit them. This does not prove permanent taste, but it shows that a recommendation can change what you choose and feed that choice into what you see next. Now the prediction changes the choice. The choice becomes training data. The training data shapes the next prediction. The mirror is no longer standing still. And this is where a preference can become part of a person. You do not just hear the song, you save it, post it, buy a ticket, meet people who love it, and start saying, I am this kind of person. One explanation is self-perception. When our inner signals are unclear, we may infer attitudes from watching our own behaviour. I keep choosing this can become, this is who I am. That is identity rehearsal, not mind control. In interviews with 16 LGBTQ+ TikTok users, people described feeds as both supporting and constraining identity work. A 2025 review covering 32 studies and more than 19,000 adolescents found that how social media was used was associated with identity development. But many findings were mixed, and the direction of causation often remained unclear. So, author is too strong if it means the feed writes a person from nothing. But mirror is too weak. The feed can keep giving some possible versions of you more rehearsal than others. That is not automatically sinister. A feed can help you find language, creators, communities, and interests that were missing from the room around you. Discovery can be real even when the route was algorithmic. The better question is not, is this interest fake? It is, did I explore it, or did I keep performing the first version that received a reward? Return to the preference you chose at the beginning. Where did you first meet it? Did you search for it, or did it keep returning until familiarity felt like choice? Would you still choose it without the view count, comments, recommendation score, or anyone watching? Now give it a life outside the feed. Listen to the whole album without scrolling. Wear the jacket where nobody will photograph it. Try the hobby after the tutorial ends. Deliberately explore an opposing style. What survives without recommendation or social reward is better evidence of your choice. So, is the algorithm rewriting your personality? Not like code replacing a person, more like an editor deciding which possible version of you keeps getting screen time. It may not write you, but it can keep handing the same version the microphone. You're also what you choose when it is not watching.